Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome to Ease Your Learning. Now, today we are going to learn a simple trick to find the square of any number between 1 to 100.
Come on, now let's begin. How to find the square of any number between 1 to 100. So let us start now. I have taken a number 58 the whole square. So how will you find the square of this number? I'll show you a small trick and you can finish it fast. Okay, so let's see how to do that trick. Okay, I'll show you now. Now take this number, that is 8. Take this number. So what is the square of 8? It is 64. What is the square of 5? It is 25. Now this is the first step. Okay, so first you'll write the square of 8 and then you'll write the square of 5 over here. This is the first step. The next step what you'll do is that you have to multiply this into this and then this into this. So what you will get, 5 8s is 40. 40 into 2 is what? 80. So you'll put that over here. Okay, so what will be the third step? First what you did, the square of 8, the square of 5, and then 5 into 8 is 40. 40 into 2 is 80. So after that what you will do, you have to add. How will you do that? Write this 4 as it is. Next, 6 plus 0 is obviously 6, and then 8 plus 5 is 13. So 3 and carry over 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. That's it. This is the square of 58. So simple, isn't it? So now let me take another number. For example, 24 the whole square. Okay, so how will you do the first step? Okay, so 4, the square of 4 is 16. The square of 2 is 4. Okay, now remember one thing. The first thing what you'll do is, whenever you write the square of these two numbers, you have to write in 2 digits. So for 2 square it is 4, but we have to write in 2 digits. No, so we'll write it as 04. Okay, so for example, if we have 3 3s is 9, so we'll write it as 09. Okay, so we'll have, for 2 2s are 4, so we'll write it as 04 in the form of 2 digits, and then 4, the square of 4 is 16. You have written. Now next step will be what? 2 4s are 8 and 8 2s is 16, and you'll write it over here. And then what you'll do, 6 you'll write as it is. 1 plus 6 is 7. 1 plus 4 is 5. Simple. The square of 24 the whole square is 576. Very simple, isn't it? So whenever you are in an examination and you want to do the calculation very fast, that is the square of any number between 1 to 100. Okay, square of any number between 1 to 100. That is, you'll write 1 to 99. Okay, so from 100 to 1000 I have another trick, so I'll tell you that in my next video. So this is how we'll find the square of any number between 1 to 100. For example, I have taken small numbers. No, now let me do for a bigger number. So 86 the whole square, the same thing. So how we'll do? Okay, so 6 6 is 36. Square of 6 is 36, and the square of 8 is 64. Okay, so after that what you'll do, 8 6 is 48. 48 into 2 is what? 48 into 2 is 8 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 9. So it is 96, isn't it? So 96. After this what you'll do, 6 will be as it is. 3 plus 6 is 9. Then 9 plus 4 is 13. 3 carry over 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. That's it. This is the square of what? 86 the whole square. We have calculated in a few minutes. Okay, now let me tell you another trick by taking another number. Okay, this is trick 1. Now let me tell you trick 2. So how will you do that? So I'll take a 64. Okay, the whole square. Okay, so how will you do that? The same thing. Okay, so 4 4s are 16, but you have done in a different way, but here also similar way only, but little bit different. Okay, so the square of 4 is 16 and the square of 6 is 36. And later on what you will do, 6 4s are 24. 24 into 2 is 48. That you will add below this. Okay, now it's 48? No, so you will not put 48 over here. The thing is, keep this in your mind. You have to leave the number which is towards this side, just one number, and put 48 over here. So this is also very simple. Okay, so you have written 4 square is 16 and 6 square is 36, and then the same thing, 6 4s are 24. 24 into 2 is 48, and finally what you will do, 6 will be as it, you have to add this. So 1 plus 8 is 9, 6 plus 4 is 10, 0 carry over 1, and 3 plus 1 is 4. And for example, if you have a carryover, I'll teach you how to do that. Okay, we'll have 88 square. Okay, so we'll write 8 8s are 64, 8 8s are and 64. Okay, so later on what you will do, 8 8s are 64, 64 into 2 is 128. So it is 3 digits, no? 1, 2 and 8, isn't it? So how will you write that? Leave a digit in the last number, leave the last number right before that. That is, now we have got 6464, isn't it? So we will write it as 1, 2 and 8. So you will get 4, then 6 plus 8 is 14, 4 plus 2 6, and 7, 6 plus 1 is also 7. That's it. So the 88 square is 7744. Very simple, isn't it?
I hope you loved this trick, and tell me about this trick in my comment section. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for my latest updates. Thank you everyone.